Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and print whatnot labels. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and print whatnot labels. So after you make a sale on whatnot, you can generate and print the prepaid shipping label directly to the seller's hub. So we have the seller's hub in the bottom side of the screen. As you can see, we have home, categories, and sell. You need to go and enter the seller's hub and buy an item. Now, Whatnot recommends using the website on a computer for the full set of shipping tools for printing and everything, all of those things. So we'll be now changing to the PC, so do the version on the PC. So as you can see, we are there now. Now let's see how you can actually go and do it here. So basically what you need to do is go to the seller hub and go into shipments. So basically when you're here, as you can see, you can become a seller firstly, so of course go and start selling. Now when you go and click on become a seller, you can go and do, of course, do it there, or we have the, as you can see, payments and shipping, which is you can also click on there and you can do it there. So we have the payment methods, as you can see, in the payments and shipping. But when you have also something yet to be bought, you'll need to go to shipments and then click on your orders by needs label. Select the order you want to ship, click generate label and select print shipping label. Then open and the generated PDF and print it and attach the label via to the package. But this is only on, of course, if you have already bought something. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.